Hi, students. I think you all are fine. You all are safe in your house, isn't it? First of all, I am introducing myself. I am Mamta. It's your new social science teacher. Okay, social science. Did you like that subject? Some of them are like the subject, and some of them are don't like the subject. Okay, whatever it is, the last year, that is in a sixth standard, you had studied social science with the three textbook. Likewise, we are continuing same in the seventh standard also. You have three textbook. And first of all, and the first class itself, we are going to study the geography lesson. The first lesson in geography, that is environment. I think the word is similar or most familiar to you because the last week we had celebrating. We were celebrating World Environment Day, isn't it? Okay, then what is environment? The word is familiar to you. And then can you say that? What is environment? Environment means whatever things we can see in our surroundings. It may be living things, it may be non-living things. For example, whatever things we can see in our surroundings, you can see animals, plants, temples. In your house, you can see table, chair, whatever things we can see, or whatever things are surrounding us. This may be living things or non-living things. We can call it is environment. What are the components of environments? Part component means or the part of environment. Individual is a part of environment. That means you are the part of environment. Your family is a part of environment. Then human made things. We the people are constructing or creating different things. Temples we are constructing, mosque we are constructing, dams, all are the component of environment. Whatever things we can see in our surroundings, so living things, non-living things, we called it is environment. In our environment, some things have life and some other things have no life. Our environment, some things, those things have life, we called it is biotic. And some other things, they are no life, we can call it is abiotic. Can you say one example for biotic things? Biotic means in our surroundings we can see those different things which have life. For example, animals have life, plants, all these things are life. Those things have life, we can call it is biotic. And those things which don't have life, we can call it is abiotic. For abiotic things, what are the examples of abiotic things? Example, that's even in your house, you can see that desks have, benches have, sorry, in our school, desks have benches and chair, table, fan. All these things don't have life. And these things we can call it is abiotic things. That means environmenറ്റിന് രണ്ട് കമ്പോണൻസ് എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റിൽ രണ്ട് തരം ഭാഗങ്ങളുണ്ട്, രണ്ട് തരം ലൈഫ് ഉള്ളതും ലൈഫ് ഇല്ലാത്തതുമായ സാധനങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ദോസ് തിങ്സ് ഹാവ് ലൈഫ്, ജീവനുള്ളതിനെ നമ്മൾ, ലിവിങ് തിങ്സിനെ നമ്മൾ ബയോട്ടിക് എന്നും, ദോസ് തിങ്സ് ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് ലൈഫ്, ജീവനില്ലാത്തതിനെ നമ്മൾ അബയോട്ടിക് എന്നും വിളിക്കുന്നു. ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? We already discussed that the component of the environment, there is individual, family, land, air, water, all are the components of our environment. Now we are move on the next topic, that is natural environment. What is natural environment? In our surroundings, land, water, air, animals and plants, and this we calls all these comprises, we can call it is a natural environment. In the natural environment we can see different parts. I think the last year you had studied different domains of the earth, or different domains. Do you remember that? I think we just revised that. That is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Do you remember it? Okay, what is lithosphere? Lithosphere means it's a land part, we can refer it is lithosphere. I think that means lithosphere means it's a solid part of the earth crust, and it is made up of with the rocks and minerals, and this covered with a thin layer of the soil, that we can call it is lithosphere. And the lithosphere, from lithosphere we can see that different landforms, mountains, valleys, hills, all this we can found in lithosphere. And the different landforms also are available in continents and seas. And this lithosphere, human beings are used for settlement, or there's permanent settlement, and for agricultural purpose, for construction purpose, etc. Lithosphere means the crust, solid part or upper layer of earth. എർത്തിൻ്റെ പോർഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയർ എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയർ ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസ്, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസ്, മൗണ്ടെയിൻസ്, ഫോറസ്റ്റ്, all these things we can see that. Different ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസ്, വാലീസ് ഉണ്ടാവും, ദെൻ മൗണ്ടെയിൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവും, എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയറിൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. വാട്ട് എവർ തിങ്സ് വി ക്യാൻ സീ ഇൻ അവർ എർത്ത് സർഫേസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു ലാൻഡ്, that we can call it is lithosphere. The next domain, the domain of water is referred as a hydrosphere. We already discussed lithosphere, it is referred to land part. And the next one, the domain of water is referred as a hydrosphere. And here various sources of water and various different types of water bodies are comes under this. And we know that different water bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, seas, all are comes under hydrosphere. And first one, lithosphere, it's a solid part of the earth. And second one, hydrosphere, hydrosphere is a water body of the earth.